Hello everyone, my name is Alexandre, private jet broker at the Aviation Factory. As you can see, we are here at the regional airport of Limburg Airport on this cold winter day. And next to myself we find the beautiful Diamond DA62 aircraft, which is a twin-engine piston. So when we think about private jets, we usually or always think about those big luxurious aircraft. However, there are other options, like this one behind me. We can use these aircraft for shorter trips, to land on shorter runways, to take off on shorter runways as well, and they have huge advantages like fuel efficiency. So let's talk about fuel efficiency. This aircraft is equipped with two turbodiesel engines. Their consumption is around 12.5 liter per 100 kilometer, which is comparable with a sports car or a small truck. This great performance provides a maximum range of over 1,500 kilometers at cruising speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour. And with its short required takeoff and landing distances, it's ideal for flights between smaller airports that larger jets just can't access. So besides fuel efficiency, this aircraft is also known for its spacious luggage compartments. In the nose you have two luggage compartments on the left and on the right hand side for all your luggage. And as you can see, there is even more space. So as you can see, I am now inside the aircraft. This aircraft is equipped with 7 seats, included the pilot. Most comfortable it will be for 4 passengers, I must say. Of course, if you are with 2 adults in the back, you can always have some space for a small child. And if you need to have a lot of luggage with you, there's no problem. There are the back seats which you can put all the way down, and then this space can be used to put your luggage in. Up front in the cockpit, the DA62 is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, making it one of the safest and most efficient airplanes in its class. The Austrian-made Diamond DA62 proves that private aviation isn't just about luxury. It's about smart, efficient and versatile travel.